So this is example 5 in section 2.6, evaluating limits using absolute value. I just wanted to touch base on this expression to make you understand why the absolute value of 3 minus x is the same as the absolute value of x minus 3. Using some algebra, we know that the absolute value of 3 minus x, I can factor out a -1, and the signs will change because you're dividing by -1. So this would be positive x and a -3. This is a product, which means you can break your absolute values into two pieces. And the absolute value of 1 is just positive 1, and that's why you end up with the absolute value of x minus 3. Another reason to understand is that this definition of breaking it up and taking out a factor of -1 really means that you start with a V shape at the origin. The -1 means you reflect it over the y-axis. But if you reflect it over the y-axis, you're going to get the same graph. And then you shift it 3 units right. And that's the graph of the absolute value of x minus 3.